Aren't you on your way? Is it serious? That's good. But if you don't get here soon, I'll beat the game without you.
Warning. Energy fluctuation levels in this space are rising. It's ill-advised to remain here for an extended period of time.
That's weird, sweetie. You lost again. Luckily for us, we're just playing games today. If these were real wanderers, they probably wouldn't share my interest in drawing cats. Oh, I thought cats were supposed to be smug. You didn't come all the way to the N109 zone just to play games and look like a cat, right? I wouldn't mind if that was the case, though. You already know my answer. Was losing that many games worth it? It's not like this is our first time interacting with a group of hunters. Wouldn't you say our past experiences have proven how good my acting skills and our rapport are? Do you feel better now? You don't have an excuse not to do your best. You let me win that many times. You're too kind. bet's a bet. I'm waiting for your magnum opus. It'll be more than just accepting defeat. I'll happily lose to you a few more times.
Sky, do you know what she was like in school?
That's why I'm here. I'd like to learn more about her past.
A hunter's work isn't easy. Since your job is in a completely different field, you need to be understanding.
Yes, of course. I'm adapting to the pace of a hunter's lifestyle. Is my performance not enough to put you at ease?
My balloon!
Don't worry. The police and the Hunters Association say I'm not a kind-hearted person in their records. Hi there. Is this your balloon?
Ah! Mommy!
You told me to smile at people with this exact angle. You're not wrong. I only get plenty of practice when I'm meeting people with you. The more I practice, the better I'll get. Isn't that right? Hmm? Cute, huh? I already have that. Maybe you're not close enough for it to be obvious. I should look friendlier now that I have you and the balloon, right? Let's just consider it a gift from her. You're in a good mood today. Should I show you the results? I guess I made significant progress. This is the highest score I've ever received. Well, you said it yourself. Very few people in the N109 zone can make me smile. Why are you asking? Are you interested in playing a game like that? But everything they mentioned were happy memories. Ever since we met, I can talk for weeks about those. There's today's balloon. The chances to practice my smile. Dancing with you here. And casual conversations while sitting on these steps. Instead of focusing on the parts of my past where you weren't present, I'd rather create memories with you.
Energy fluctuation levels in this space are currently stable. You may proceed with an investigation.
You as well. It seems you have the time to analyze someone else's hobbies in the same place. I wanted to ask you the same question, sweetie. It's just a coincidence. This place happens to be within Mephisto's usual patrol route. Spatial anomalies aren't restricted areas. That includes the ones in the N109 zone. Is it unsafe? That's all the more reason for me to stay. The church is massive. I doubt your watch will last long here. It's just another coincidence. Wouldn't the biggest one be you discovering this place? And since coincidences brought us here, maybe it was fate that you needed someone to help you find your way. It's a good choice. Most people wouldn't be interested in entering a rundown church like this. Very safe. Yes? People in need of safe houses think along the same lines. Are you interested in this place, or in the person who used it? Aren't hunters supposed to investigate spatial anomalies? When did you become a detective? All right, Miss Sharp-Eyed Hunter, who's also a detective. What else have you deduced from these simple clues? It's true that deep space tunnel fluctuations have occurred more than once. They're just ordinary crystals. Kids in the N109 zone used to pretend they were gems to impress people. Maybe someone wanted to brighten up this dreary place. You'd be a good detective. Don't look at those. It was the first area I saw after coming here. Back then, this place wasn't called the N109 zone. And before I gained a footing here, this was my first safe house. Or, you could say this was my first home.
Warning. Energy fluctuation levels in this space are rising. It's ill-advised to remain here for an extended period of time.
Didn't you see the news, sweetie? The current deep space tunnel fluctuations are entering their final phase. The spatial anomalies that... Why aren't you moving? A good hunter knows when to quit while they're ahead. Every intense fluctuation from the deep space tunnel creates new spatial anomalies while obliterating others. This place probably won't last for much longer. I haven't been here in a long time. If you hadn't found it, I probably wouldn't even remember what happened here. Even if it vanished without a trace one day, I'll remember this place for a while longer. All because you visited it. You arrived earlier than I expected. Because I had the same plan as you. Weren't we going to create the most unforgettable memory before this place disappears? I always take occasions like this very seriously. Did you think you'd be a spectator in the memory we're creating?
Warning. Abnormal fluctuations detected in this area. Its dissipation is imminent.
Your association system is very efficient. It sounds like you already have something in mind. No. Did you plan this? Why did you want to create a new memory for me here? You were the one who chose to open the door. You are what lies behind this door now. I'll always remember the new memories you've given me. But the ones we can create here aren't limited to just these. People usually come here to exchange vows. Obviously, that isn't something you can do alone. There's something I want to do with you before they disappear. It just means everything that happened here will become a secret between us. However, I hope we'll share more than one secret. I want more memories of us. Until they fill our future. And you? In that case, I want this wish to last forever. Always. Maybe the world outside is coming to an end. Doomsday and all that jazz. All right, let's create more memories with each other. until doomsday itself actually arrives. You're not even this proud when you kill S-rank wanderers. Something is wrong with the controller. You're being very accommodating. Let me guess. There's a condition. Did you find them? I haven't. I'm preserving as many of our shared memories as I can. Isn't that fitting? It's just like the things in this room. Everything that happened, every word that was spoken, they're all preserved in deep space.